Looking for the best pet gates in 2026? In this video, we've picked the top pet gates you can buy right now to keep your pets safe and your home organized. Stay tuned to find the perfect pet gate for dogs, cats, doorways, stairs, and more. Starting at number 1. Cumbor 36.6 to 64-inch extra wide baby gate. The Cumbor 36.6 to 64-inch extra wide baby gate is a versatile and durable safety gate designed to help protect children and pets in various areas of the home. Ideal for stairs, doorways, and hallways, this extra wide gate adjusts to fit openings between 36.6 and 64 inches, making it suitable for different spaces. Featuring an auto-close function, it helps provide added convenience and security by automatically closing after use. Its pressure-mounted walk-through design allows for easy installation without damaging walls, while the tall and sturdy construction helps keep toddlers, puppies, and pets safely contained. Finished in a sleek black design, the Cumbor safety gate combines practicality, durability, and ease of use, making it a reliable solution for child and pet safety indoors. Number 2. WAOWAO Extra Wide Baby Gate. The WAOWAO Extra Wide Baby Gate is a sturdy and practical safety solution designed to help keep toddlers, children, and pets secure in different areas of the home. Adjustable from 71.65 to 85.03 inches wide, this pressure-mounted gate is ideal for large openings such as stairs, doorways, kitchens, and hallways. Its walk-through swing door design allows for easy access, while the auto-close feature helps ensure the gate securely shuts behind you for added convenience and safety. Constructed from durable metal with a clean white finish, it offers both strength and a modern look that blends well with home interiors. Suitable for toddlers, kids, dogs, and puppies, the WAOWAO safety gate provides a reliable and easy-to-install barrier for everyday indoor protection. Number 3. SHYUJAJIE 71-inch Extra Tall Pet Gate. The SHYUJAJIE 71-inch Extra Tall Pet Gate is a durable and secure indoor barrier designed to safely contain cats and dogs while preventing climbing or jumping over. Standing at an impressive 71 inches tall, this extra tall gate is especially suitable for active pets and cats that tend to escape traditional gates. With an adjustable width range of 29.5 to 43 inches, it fits a variety of doorways, hallways, stairs, and home entry points. Its pressure-mounted design allows for easy installation without drilling, while the walk-through door provides convenient access for pet owners. Finished in a sleek black color and built for stability, the SHYUJAJIE Pet Gate combines safety, practicality, and modern style, making it a reliable choice for pet-friendly homes. Number 4. Clera Baby Gate. The Clera Baby Gate is a practical and secure safety barrier designed to help protect toddlers, children, and pets in different areas of the home. Adjustable from 29.14 to 38.58 inches wide, this extra-wide gate is ideal for doorways, kitchens, hallways, and other indoor spaces. Its pressure-mounted design allows for quick and easy installation without the need for drilling or wall damage, while the walk-through door provides convenient access for adults. Featuring an auto-close function, the gate automatically shuts behind you to help maintain a secure environment for kids, dogs, and puppies. Built for everyday use, the Clera safety gate combines durability, convenience, and reliable protection for busy households. Number 5. Vantas Folding Pet Gate. The Vantas Folding Pet Gate is a stylish and functional safety barrier designed to help manage pets while complementing home interiors. Measuring 96 inches wide and 30 inches tall, this freestanding wooden dog gate provides a spacious barrier ideal for doorways, hallways, and open areas. Its no-assembly design allows for immediate use right out of the box, while the foldable structure makes storage and repositioning simple and convenient. Featuring a built-in walk-through door for easy access, the gate allows pet owners to move freely without needing to relocate the entire barrier. The included 2 support pieces add extra stability, making it suitable for puppies and small to medium-sized pets. Finished in an elegant brown color, the Vantas Folding Pet Gate combines practicality, durability, and home-friendly design for everyday pet safety. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top product recommendations in 2026.